This is the Ash Street sewer video. Today is May the 30th, 2024. I'm doing this for Bob West. This is the second time I've been over here. I was over here with a hydrojetter a few days ago, and I could only get 10 feet. The roots were so thick in here, I could only get 10 feet. So he told me he had it snaked out, and I was here to re-camera the pipe. And this is at 25 feet. There's still a lot of roots still in here, and I can't get past this one with my camera. So that's at about 25 feet. I tried pushing through it. I may eventually be able to push through it, but the point is there's still a lot of roots in here. So there's a big wad there at 25 feet. So I'm coming back now. There's another bit of roots on the right hand side there. You can see them at the joint. They're basically at every joint. Well, most joints. That joint don't have one. There's another nice big wad of roots. That's at about 12 or 15 feet. A little bit of roots at that joint. More roots there. You can see it's a clay line. Here's where we get back into the cast iron. That's how you know that you are up close to the house when you start seeing the cast iron pipe instead of clay. They always do cast iron under the basement floor and up close to the house, and then they transition to a clay. They always did that in the past. I'm not sure why. I've heard different reasons. There is the clean out. Let me wipe the camera off a little bit. There's the clean out. There's the epoxy floor. There's the basement. Finished basement with drywall. Baseboard. So that's it. This needs to be snaked again. It's not done well.